guys, there was a creator on here who she's on the spectrum, so you guys know, like, I'm a spectrum mommy, and so I have such a high regard and respect for any human that is on the spectrum. But she has this thing where she like looks up beauty ingredients, and she said that the After Sun from like with the aloe is very similar to the milk primer. So I'm gonna try it. Is it gonna work or no? So we're gonna grab quite a bit. And I mean, this has like a smell, like a manly smell. So if you got a man and you want to smell like one, girl, rub this all over your face. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna rub it on my forehead. Oh, also you guys, I was been wearing these like wrinkle tapes, and they're doing the damn thing. I feel like it'll be good because it is like skin, it's for sunburn. As it dries, it does have a little stick to it. I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender and be right back. Let's do it. This is my first impressions for this foundation. I used to go to the Cholita store a lot. 5 hours later in my SpongeBob voice. Okay, so this one's 1, which is very fair. And this one's 2. This one I had already pumped. So we're grabbing 1.5 pumps of both, and we're gonna mix them together. They're very thick. Our foundation brush, and we're gonna really like work the foundation into the foundation brush. I like to keep one side clean, and I got it a little dirty, but oh, she's very thick and a little light. Wow, she's very thick. Okay. Okay, I never put foundation under my eyes. Okay, and let's do the others. Let's blend it in. I'm grabbing a brand new blender, and I'm pushing it in to the skin. Wow. Wow. I love it. It looks so good. And I have no idea if it's that primer or the foundation. Do you guys remember when the YouTubers made the men's oh, it was Nikki Tutorials. I remember that. She made the aftershave foundation a thing. Wow. No beauty mode. What? All right, let's do the other side. It's a very thick formula. Okay. And then whatever's left, I don't like to re-dip. So whatever's left on my brush, I just kind of put on my forehead. I feel like most people don't have a lot to cover on their foreheads, and that's where we tend to have like more lines and texture. This is already drying. Use only shade 1 by itself as a concealer, because it's a concealer plus foundation. That's what the bottle says. And we're gonna put that foundation as a concealer right under the eye. Really curious to find out if my foundation is looking this good because of the primer, or because of the foundation is just like a good formula. Because it's my first time trying both together. Put on contour, edit, and come back, and then I'll show you what the finished look is. Okay, bye. Sweet, this is the makeup look. Okay, we're gonna wear it for the rest of the day. We're gonna see if this worked. If it did. The one thing about it though is it's not as pore filling as a primer would be, but it definitely like made my face feel plump and hydrated, and it gave you a little bit of that stickiness, and like I would never need a primer again. I'm gonna tag the creator that talked about this below. Make sure you guys follow her. She's amazing. She has a lot of cool hacks. And I'm going to wear this and I'll be back and let you guys know if it worked. Okay, bye. This is the makeup in natural indoor lighting on the couch. No filtro. Don't look at my messy house. Okay, you guys, it's 7 p.m. I've been wearing this makeup since about 3:30. We went down to the gas station. We walked around outside for a little bit. I was playing with pebbles and it stayed on really well. I actually think that this worked. I feel like because of the aloe, it plumped up my skin, so my skin was extra hydrated. My makeup, I mean, it stayed on. I did use setting spray. Maybe I shouldn't have. I don't know. And it worked. I definitely got on Amazon and ordered a fragrance-free version of an after sun aloe gel. I think it was definitely like a hack worth hacking. And I know you guys are going to comment, how do you do your brows? Pinned at the top of my page. Yeah, if you guys have any other hacks you want me to try, comment them. But worked. Get yourself some after sun when you're running low on money and you need a primer, because I mean the ingredients, it has water, aloe, leaf juice, alcohol, and glycerin. Glycerin's like the 4th ingredient, and glycerin is something that, like, it's sticky, so it really helps grab on. Most primers have glycerin that are a grippier primer, so yeah, try it, guys. I'm going to go get tacos and see if where the night takes me. Well, it's not going to take me much places because I'm also like a huevona. So anyways, bye. It worked. Get yourself some after sun when you're running low on money and you need a primer.